Hey guys, Bobby here with Awesome Ford, again covering the 2021 Bronco Sport. Has a feature called Adaptive Cruise Control, and it also has Collision Alert. To activate Adaptive Cruise Control, you're just going to push this button on the steering wheel right there. What that'll actually do is that'll enable you to set your speed limit at 70 miles an hour or whatever it might be. If you come up on somebody, it'll automatically slow you down to their speed until they move out of your way or until you switch lanes. Really great feature, great benefit. You're able to relax on the road without having the need to hit cancel resume. You can also go into the settings on your screen here, go to the driver assist, again, go to cruise control, and you can switch it to adaptive, normal, and even intelligent, where it'll read the speed limit sign and adjust your speed according to the speed limit. You're able to set parameters too, so if you wanted to drive a little bit over or a little bit under the speed limit, you can set the computer to recognize that as well. Really neat. And there's also a pre-collision alert that uses the same camera, and what that'll do is it'll actually bring the vehicle to a stop for you in the event of an emergency. And there's also an evasive steering mode that you can do here that will actually turn this car for you and avoid an accident. So that's the adaptive cruise control and some of the features that come with that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more content.